If you love lemons and are looking for a drop of sunshine on a plate, then you've gotta try my lemon tart recipe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey, you're watching Preppy Kitchen, where I, John Cannell, teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. This lemon tart will be ready before you know it, so let's get started. First off, we're making an easy and delicious pastry crust. We're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of cream, 1 egg yolk. I'm gonna give that a really quick mix, and this will go into my pastry. It's gonna hold it together and add some extra richness. Now, into a large bowl, I'm measuring out 1 1/4 or 150 grams of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's gonna give you a little bit of contrast, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Whisk it up. Our scale is done. Now we're just gonna grab some ice cold butter from the fridge. Not frozen, but cold butter in the fridge. I'm gonna cut the butter into small pieces. I find these butter towers very gratifying. Whoa. Plop the butter right into the flour. You're gonna break it up into even smaller pieces. And then as you do, start mixing that into the flour. This seems like a lot of work. It's not, it's so fun. It'll take you right back to playing in the sandbox. Okay, so here's the deal. This is officially a shaggy mixture, and if I take a handful and squeeze it together, it's holding together like pie dough, but it's not pie dough, it's for a tart. So we need a binding agent, which in this case is that little bit of cream and egg yolk. And I'm gonna mix it with a fork while I pour. Now just use a fork or knife to work it together into a nice dough that'll hold together. And it's all happening in the bowl, so there's easy cleanup. This is a really nice dough. I'm gonna chill it. It's gonna come together even more, and then we can roll it out. This should chill for about an hour. In the meantime, we can make our filling. Now that it's warmed up, I can see a little indent if I press my fingers in fairly lightly. It's time to roll everything out. I'm using, it looks like it's like right between a 9 and a 10-inch tart tin. So you wanna roll your dough out to be a little bit larger than that, probably close to 12. A little bit more flour as needed. Roll it out, but keep moving the dough around. You do not want it to stick. That's plenty. We're gonna roll the dough onto the pin, lift it up gently, and now transfer that to our tart tin. Now I'm gonna push the dough in from the edge. I'm not stretching it out, I'm pushing it in. My dough got rolled a little bit too thin. I was kind of over enthusiastic for you. So I'm pushing it back down and just thickening up the wall a bit. That's the part where you wanna have some support as you cut the pieces. Gently press against your fluted edge. I'm pressing and turning so that I get nice, even coverage. The fun part is trimming the edge. Sometimes people do this after it bakes, but it's just better to do it ahead of time. This is gonna go into the freezer for half an hour, but we'll be right back. My tart shell is rock hard, so I'm gonna dock it right now. I could have done this before it went into the freezer. I just don't like doing that. I feel like I can kind of slip and it can tear it. So I do want it to be a bit firmer. Thoroughly docked, this is gonna go into the oven, 375 for about 20 minutes or until it is a light golden brown. And you go. While that bakes, we're gonna make a sunny, delicious lemon curd for this tart. I need 4 eggs and 2 yolks, so plop those right into a medium bowl. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. Set that aside and grab a medium pot. Into a medium pot, we're gonna add half a cup of butter, 113 grams, 1 cup of sugar, 200 grams. I'm gonna add the zest of 2 lemons, and lemon zest is one of the most amazing things ever. It's good for savory and sweet, and it just gives you such a lift, such a kick. These microplanes are one of my favorite things. They're such a good thing for both zesting lemons, oranges, as well as grating cheese. Setting this aside slightly so I can juice half a cup of lemon juice. Cut those naked lemons, squeeze those out, get all the juice. This recipe is one of my all-time weaknesses. My mom and I love lemons so much. I still mourn the loss of my Meyer lemon tree I had at my old house, but I had to move and I could not take it with me. Add that half a cup of lemon juice to your medium pot. Now we're gonna place this pot over medium heat. We're gonna stir this occasionally until the butter is melted and it's bubbling away. So it's gonna be a few minutes, just be patient. My lemon juice butter mixture is all melted and bubbling away. It's time to temper the eggs. If we just dumped this in here, our eggs would scramble. So we're gonna drizzle this in slowly while whisking. I'm gonna do a cup right now just to start. Sorry, that was half a cup. So basically you drizzle in a little bit of the mixture to warm the eggs up. Now we can drizzle the rest in while whisking vigorously. It's still so silky and smooth, nothing is curdled. Now that it's all combined, we're gonna add this back into the pot. We're gonna put this on low heat and we're gonna be whisking continuously. You do not wanna burn this because the eggs will burn. So whisk, 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 whisk. Okay, look, did you see that? It's burping. So right now, you're getting just a little bit of a geyser style burp. I'm taking it off heat. You can see it's coating and it's not gonna run. That's what it means. Okay, my tart shell just came out of the oven. You can see it's a light golden color. It's gonna bake for 10 more minutes. So I'm setting that aside. And in the meantime, I'm gonna strain my mixture out. So you can see it's thickened up. It's a beautiful sunny color. Strain this out. It's really quick and it's so worth it because in addition to the zest that you're keeping out, there's a part of the egg called the Twizzler, which just, it's not smooth and it's a little bit lumpy. So this is all the junk you're left with. You don't want that in your delicious silky lemon tart. Back to the tart shell. Now we're gonna pour the silky curd in and just fill it up. Look at this beautiful mixture. Give this just a little bit of a shimmy to help it level out. We're gonna pop this into the oven at 350 for about 8 minutes or until the edge is just set and the center is wobbly. Let it cool down, then chill for at least 2 hours to overnight. Once chilled, remove the outer ring from the tart, slide a small knife or spatula along the bottom to free that piece of metal, and then place on a serving tray. You can garnish with whipped cream, powdered sugar, berries, or enjoy plain. This tart is my dream come true. If you like this video, check out my lemon playlist. That is some silky, zingy sunshine on a plate. I'll see you in the next video.